In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload files to your Google Drive folder in just 5 minutes. This seemingly simple task can sometimes be confusing, but don't worry, I'm here to walk you through each step so you can confidently manage your files on Google Drive. First things first, you'll want to head over to Google Drive. This means navigating your web browser to the Google Drive site. If you're not already signed in, Google will prompt you to do so. Here's where you'll enter your Google account, email, and password. Don't skip on the password, complexity, or security, as keeping your account safe is crucial. Once you've entered your credentials, hit the next button to proceed. If your credentials are correct, you should be taken straight to your Google Drive homepage. Now here's where it gets interesting. Look for a button or link labeled My Drive. This is essentially the gateway to everything you've stored on Google Drive. Clicking on My Drive will display all your folders and files, organizing them in a way that makes everything easy to find. If you're new to Google Drive, don't worry if it looks a bit empty at first. We're about to add some files. Uploading files to Google Drive is as easy as dragging and dropping. I know, sounds simple, right? But this straightforward method is what makes Google Drive a preferred option for file storage and sharing. Simply select the files from your computer that you wish to upload, drag them over to your web browser where Google Drive is open, and drop them into the folder of your choice. Watch as Google Drive uploads each file, showing progress in real time. It's satisfying to see those progress bars reach completion, confirming your files are safely stored away in the cloud. If you're uploading large files or quite a few at once, this might take a moment. Internet speed can play a big part here, so if you find it's taking longer than expected, checking your connection might help. Remember, once the files are uploaded, they're accessible from anywhere in the world, provided you have internet access. That's the real beauty of cloud storage. Your files go where you go, no USB sticks or external hard drives needed. In a nutshell, that's how you upload files to your Google Drive. Quick, easy, and secure. Whether you're backing up important documents, sharing large files with friends, or simply keeping your photos safe, Google Drive offers a flexible solution for digital storage needs. Remember, practicing good digital hygiene, like signing out of your account on shared devices, and keeping your password safe, is just as important as learning how to upload files. With these steps, you're not just uploading files, you're mastering the art of efficient digital file management. So go ahead, give it a try and see how simple and efficient it is to use Google Drive for your storage needs.